Hi everybody, I'm Gary Bosek and I have an amazing new juicing recipe I want to share with you. Here it is.
Hey, what you got going on, Gary Bear?
Oh no, this guy's annoying. Hi Dilly! How are you? Okay. Anyway, where was I? Okay, this recipe.
What you doing, a video?
I'm doing a juicing video, Dilly. I'm
you don't want to hear
sharing
it.
a recipe with
you don't
people.
want to be told what to do. Put in this much of this much of that.
They like that. It's really good.
Juicing's stupid.
That's your opinion. I actually lost over 100 pounds by incorporating it into my life. You should try it sometime. I'll share recipes with you. Really.
They're getting tired of hearing
I will,
it, Gary.
but you're just kind of annoying. I'm okay with that. Just.
I don't want to hear it anymore.
Okay, where was I? Okay, I think he's gone. Anyway, I'm just so excited about this recipe. I just can't really think. He's just so distracting. Oh, yeah. Wow, are you serious? I'll get the recipe to you. Then it's just cutting along. I'm still happy though. Have a great day.